Should I be in the video?
This is my YouTube channel.
I want to have a YouTube channel, but my mommy won't let me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jay, and today I am in Washington, D.C. That's why I'm looking like a bear. And this is my first time trying this Bolt's Burgers. And I have to wait to get my food. Oh, Jesus. This is yellow curry, spice, and no, I said yellow curry, turmeric, I don't know. Tell me down in the comment section what you guys think. This word says, y'all don't look at my nails, I completely messed them up. And then it's spice. And then this one is toasted peppercorn and herb. And then this one is fiery chili, cumin, and paprika. And of course black pepper and salt and ketchup. And this is my church member, Mari.
Hello.
She's so adorable. And then I have myself a usual Sprite because I love Sprite.
I need to tell them about my YouTube channel, which is coming up.
So guys, my church member Mari, she wants to tell you guys about her upcoming YouTube channel. Her make-believe YouTube channel. Because her mom said she can't have one, but she really wants to, so she's gonna pretend.
Go check me out at Uphill Screenshot. My channel will be released really soon, hopefully. If you don't see my YouTube channel, it's all her fault. Her fault.
So guys, her food has already got here, but me and my sister are waiting for our food.
And don't forget to tell them to subscribe.
Guys, so I'm just waiting for my food. I might put some of this on my fries. And then some of this, and then I'll put some ketchup on the side. But guys, I'm sorry, but today's vlog is only going to be like 15 or 10 minutes long. And I'll do like a part 2, 3, 4, and 5 of this video probably because, you know, my phone tends to like not upload my videos when I ask them to. And y'all, look at this.
What do you mean?
Yo, it's free Wi-Fi. You gotta eat though. Well, I keep that. I'm talking about
make that many parties. By the time you're done, you will be back in Jacksonville.
Guys, I'll be right back as soon as my food gets here. You're gonna have to be fighting. Stop! So guys, my idiot sister started it without me knowing. And guys, this is what it looks like. It looks so scrumptious. So I'm gonna taste it. I don't got no flavor. I'm gonna add some of it. I gotta taste it first, but I don't know what this tastes like. I'm a buck like 2, 3.
Probably press the camera on.
I buck 3 of her fries because
When it rings, press the window.
It's pretty alright, bro. So I got my fries. Yo, So I'm put some ketchup on my plate. Can you pass me the ketchup? We can take off our jackets and then put them back on. Okay, never mind. The reason why it wasn't open, it wasn't open.
We're not open right now.
It's supposed to been open. Like, come on.
It's a better life.
We're open right now.
So I'll be right back, guys, after I'm done setting up. take this out. And I'll be right back.
I think Poppy wants to talk to you.
She done told us 2 different 3 numbers, different scores. She said, I think my friends want to talk to you. And she said, I think my papa wants to talk to you.
Huh?
Do it first.
What did you say? Hello?
I'm going to dip it in my ketchup and then I'm going to take a bite.
We just walked down the,
Can you pass me the ketchup? You don't want this? Ooh, I love this. Mari, you ready to get back in the room? Huh? I'm gonna add more of this on there. Hey, now that's how you do it. I'm sorry about all the loud noise in the back. I'm at a restaurant and I'm not going to tell all these people to be quiet.
But you tell everybody in your house to be quiet.
But if I was just about to get that, but if I'm in my house, then I would tell people to be quiet.
Everybody's in that.
But these are strangers.
Or 2. Or 3. I'm joking.
yeah, they have like dry
Yo,
Let me taste your fries. Because what you put on it?
this,
Not yet. It's still raining.
it's not even hot.
No.
That's because I didn't shake them around.
I don't taste it.
I don't know, but Ellie. I do. You know? So I'm with the Girl Scouts at my church. And some Girl Scouts from other churches. And they're at this thing called the hostel. Hostel. It's called the hostel.
There's a wannabe hotel.
It's a wannabe hotel. That's what Mari said. That's what she said. No, she said it's a wannabe hotel. So I'm gonna listen to Mari.
Yeah, she went to the time to stop.
They don't feed you dinner. So the people that we travel with are the people who prepare our dinner. And they have a spaghetti and garlic bread. But no. We said no. So we went to Bolt's Burgers. We was about to go to Subway, but then we was like, let's see if it's other food places further down. And I've never been here, but I've been to Subway plenty of times. So we went to Bolt's Burgers, and it's really good. I'm finna mix this together. So bye guys, that's it for today's video, but I'm gonna be doing a part 2 like right now. So bye guys, hope you like, and please go watch the part 2. Bye. Hope you have a, it's Tuesday, right?
The spring break.
Hope you have a twisty Tuesday.
No, this